Hey everybody, this is Raymond Camden, a developer evangelist for Adobe, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the Postman collection for the Adobe Acrobat Services. We've had one for a while, but we've recently did an update, and I've seen people ask how to use it, so I thought I'd do a quick demo. I am not a Postman expert, so if I do anything wrong, blame me, not Adobe. Also, I'm not going to explain our REST APIs as a whole. We have documentation for that. We have blog posts. I will, however, share links to those when I post the video. So I'm in Postman. I'm going to make a new workspace. I will call it Adobe Acrobat Services. Click Create Workspace. Now I've downloaded our Postman collection. I've already unzipped it. So I'm going to import and I'm going to select the folder on my desktop. And it should get them all. I can eyeball it just to kind of make sure it looks right. And we're good. All right. So first thing I'm going to do is go into my environment. And I'm going to paste in my authentication information. I've already created my credentials on our console. I'm using the new OAuth credentials, which means I only need two values, client ID and client secret. We do have to put the client ID in the X API key as well, so we just repeat the value. I'm going to go ahead and set these to secret so you can't see my values. I'm sure you're very, very nice, and I'm sure I could trust you. But today, I'm not going to. All right, so I'm going to paste in my client ID. I'm going to do initial value and current value. I don't know if that's required, but I do it anyway. Again, I'm repeating my client ID for X API key. And then I'm going to go into my client secret and paste that as well. Finally, save it. Now let's look at one of the APIs we can use to test. And the easiest is going to be the create PDF. One thing I like about our collection is that everything is ordered in the same order that you use our APIs. So I can click on Get Access Token and make sure I select the environment on top and just hit send. And bam, I got an access token. The next thing we do is tell the API that we want to upload a Word document. So I'll send that request. The response is a location to send my file. And the cool thing about this Postman collection is that each step is using the results from the last one. It makes it super easy. All right, so now we have a place to put our document. Let's actually do that. I'm going to select a simple Word document and hit send. And all this did was upload my binary data. Now I need to actually start the job. That's going to be the create PDF operation there. I will hit send, and the result will be a header, in this case location, that I could use to poll and see how the job is doing. Now, in real code like Node.js, I would be looping maybe every second, every 2 seconds or so. Typically, these operations run really quick, but I would still only do like one call per second or so. So when I check my status now, it should be done because I've been talking for a good 10 seconds or so. But we can verify, and we see, yep, status equals done. I got a PDF out, and the last thing to do is just to download that result. And there is my PDF, and the text looks a bit off. That's just my resolution being real low now. Anyway, that is an example of using our Postman collection. If you have any questions at all, feel free to just reach out and ask. Thank you.